I'm on fire. Oh.
Yes, brother. We burn together.
Ooga, 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 shaka. Ooga, 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 shaka. Hi, Nina. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, but there's a box of weapons.
Charge!
AJ, no!
I'm here. I'm helping. Ah!
Go get Walker.
Oh.
Oh, Jesus!
I can't see. I can see. I didn't have glasses before. Now I do.
Okay, we need to form a line. We need to form lines. Like Walker.
Brothers in arms! Ah, Nina!
I have 27.
I got you.
I got you.
Oh,
Oh, Jesus, AJ!
what have we here? Ah! Get sent.
Oh,
Why would you? Lucy!
I saw you jump at me. I got scared. All right.
I'm sorry.
Oh,
AJ?
Keep moving.
AJ?
yeah. Okay. Nina!
I'm literally doing nothing.
I'm doing nothing, officer. Shut the fuck up.
Shoot the birds. Make sure to shoot the birds. Okay, don't shoot the birds.
Oh, now you tell me. Hey, birds!
No. AJ, I'm down here.
Oh, fuck.
What the fuck?
Oh, shit!
What the fuck is that?
Get it! Get out of me, swamp! Don't worry, Lucy. I got you with my shorty from so far away. Hi, Nina.
He said hi to me and then left. Don't shoot the fucking bird.
What?
I think
The birds! The birds!
No! Just stop running in front of me, AJ. You're like a squirrel jacked up, dude.
Woo, buddy boy. Ah!
Totally down the fuck out of you. You ran in front of me when I was trying to shoot the spider monkey.
I have gasoline.
We need a toolkit to open this door. There's a lot of shit in here, I think.
Here, this might work.
Nope, that's not gonna work.
Yeah.
Oh shit, there's a ladder here.
Oh, fuck.
Mom said it's my turn to get on the Xbox.
I have 1 HP, guys. I have 1 HP. Sorry.
Do you have any...
Nina, I'm sorry.
Fucking hell.
Somebody get in this ring before I start fucking boxing the person sitting in this chair.
Oh, no, wait.
Fucking go, bitch.
Oh yeah, beat the fuck out of me. Oh yeah, beat me off.
Oh yeah, fucking degrade me.
Oh yeah, fucking spit on me and call me a dirty slut. Yeah. we should try the hardest difficulty with CC again.
I mean, I don't think we're gonna win. That's the thing.
We don't have to win.
We don't have to. We have to have a good time. That's what this is about.
Okay, fine. Well, we're starting then.
Check it right.
Yep. Checking right. We're good.
Left room is clear.
Do we have a plan?
Left room clear.
Guys, I have the
that's
stabby
fine.
weapon.
Nina.
Guys, don't hurt me when I'm like in front of you.
Oh, dude, it is so
It
was
you.
Let me get you up.
So why did I die?
I mean, we're
I'm
not keeping
pissed.
score here, right?
I'm pissed.
I got you guys. Oh fuck, no I don't.
Oh, a wrencher. Oh no, CC!
Bye.
I got you.
Hello, Smiles.
I don't give a fuck. Wake up.
Did he have the rev on?
Stop
Get
teabagging.
this.
I got exploded on. Oh, guys, Anina.
Trying. No,
I'm
I'm.
fine.
Get him.
Oh, God.
Oh
Why
fuck.
did you res me into... Guys, why would you res me into that?
Because you're our only hope. Ow. Fuck.
Whose idea it was to put us in the hardest difficulty?
Not quite sure. I can't remember. So whose idea was it to put us in the hardest difficulty, guys?
Pretty sure it was yours.
I
Bud.
have no idea what you're talking about.
Yeah, friend.
friend, guy,
Don't.
dude.
I don't think we could consider us that anymore. Not after what we've done today.
The game that ruined our friendship.
It wasn't Among Us. It wasn't Uno. It wasn't Monopoly. It was fucking. It was Back for Blood.
Back for Blood, bro. Left 4 Dead 3 did this to us.
Don't you guys know spitters are fucking quitters? God.
Dude.
I'm sorry, I said spitters are quitters, but I was fucking right.
Oh no, I got protein. I got propane.
Propane?
Call me
Propane?
Hank
Nice.
Hill. Call me Hank Hill. Call me Hank Hill. God damn it, Bobby. CC, talk to me.
Appreciate
Talk
it.
to me, no.
I can finally say I was smoking hot bod. Holy shit, fuck you, whoever shot me.
In my suffering.
I'll end it right now.
I have propane.
Not okay.
I'm not okay either.
Watch where you shoot.
Stop hitting me.
That was an accident. I swear.
No, it
was an
wasn't.
accident.
No, it wasn't. Just fire, Lucy. Oh, never mind.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna open the crate real quick.
Guys, I'm getting abused. They take me for killing me.
Hey, Jay.
I want a refund on this friendship now.
Lucy.
I see.
Oh, who just got in my way? CC. Wait. Can I not revive you?
Oh god. He's swinging.
Wait,
Do you want me to lower the difficulty again?
Probably.
Please. Please. I'm picking you.
I'm peeking.
I don't want to suffering
Do you want to
anymore.
start?
I'm the one
I'm
suffering.
down to start with. I think I'm gonna actually take the M1. The M1's not bad.
No, I really like the M1 actually.
Oh, do you want it?
Oh no,
I'll take
I
the
don't.
shotty.
I
I'll
don't
take the
care.
shotty, man. Take the fucking M1.
Okay, fine. Nina,
Shit!
What?
are you in?
Oh, yes, I am in. I am definitely in.
Ooga 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 shaka ooga 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 chaka ooga 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 chaka.
Okay.
Ooga 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 chaka ooga 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 chaka ooga.
Going forward. Advancing all the subjects. Opening doors. Checking left.
No stamina.
Left side clear. Left side clear.
Gun right here. Gun right here.
Sniper rifle here.
Pog, 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 pog.
Sir, daddy, sir, we should push.
Sir, daddy, sir, what?
Say Mr. Dicky, sir, to you, sir.
Sorry, sir, Mr. Daddy, sir. Opening crate, sir, Mr. Daddy, sir. Peekaboo.
Wait,
Oh,
wait,
you
go
can't
ahead,
shoot
go
through the
ahead,
barbed
go ahead.
wire.
AJ.
What's up? Moving forward, sir, Daddy, sir. I have one shot.
Right between the eyes.
Don't alert the birds. Don't alert the birds. Don't alert the birds. No. No. Bad CC. No birds.
Hey, guys, get in the safe house. 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 Get in the safe house.
Get in the safe house. Get in the safe house. I'm gonna shoot the birds.
I just want somebody to spit on me like the Retchers. If you're not spitting stomach acid on me, you're not digging deep enough for the missions.
I'm getting wounded animal because I'm always getting really wounded. And
As we're beating the fuck out.
Dappy Webbies.
No one.
Mom said it's my turn to get on the Xbox.
He just ignored me. That man ignored me.
Oh my god, there's a green machete. Nina.
Nina?
Green machete.
Dappy Webbies.
I got him. I got him. I got him from out here. I got him from out here. Keep going. Keep going. Yeet. Oh my god, Nina! Nina, you just got launched. Hey, guys.
Nina, there's one down there.
Nina?
Wow. It's like Walmart in here.
Shut the fuck up, Evangelo.
Dude, I love his hair, but I hate his fucking talking.
Prettier when you're quiet, Evangelo.
Real quick, you guys don't need any more ammo, do you?
Watch where you're shooting, man.
Sorry.
Oh shit. My bad.
Where are the birds?
Drake, where's the birds?
They're right there. I drew them out with magic marker.
This Aggressive
So go
and
get him.
toolkit.
Okay, I will. Lucy!
Run.
Well, I got a molly. I got a molly. Back off. Back off. Back off.
Okay, go.
Going now. Some got through. Some got through.
Holy shit,
Cece,
I'm so
please.
sorry. I didn't.
What?
I just completely forgot that the bird.
No,
was there.
you
completely
stood in front of me, and I was worried I was shooting you.
Oh.
Ow! Woo! Buddy boy.
He's down. He's down.
I'm healing. I'm healing. I'm healing.
Don't worry about me.
Hi, healing. I'm Cece.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh, what the fuck, guys? I can't.
I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. Oh,
I need to work on my upper body
How do
strength.
we get down? How do we get down?
we jump.
Appreciate it.
That's
Get
what
your
I
fucking
did.
ass up here.
I really don't know.
They're on
I just
Lucy.
kinda, like, fell.
I'm going for Lucy. Oh god.
Yeah, I'm taking this M1. Is this yours that you dropped?
Yeah. What happened?
Oh my god. Oh my god. There's a lot of them coming up the slopes here, dude. Oh,
Jump
god,
down. Jump down. Jump down.
coming back. Yep.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's me. Oh god. There's one here.
I'm watching out the door. I'm watching out the door.
Oh, fuck no.
Part of the story.
Birds, careful.
How dare they throw a story at us at a stressful time like this? I got a flashbang.
Birds!
In the bush. Oh, birds! Squawk!
Bruiser.
He's using the birds as cover. Don't get the birds behind him. Oh, birds.
Yep. How the fuck do we get around that?
Up and around. Up and around.
Can we do that?
5 now, because I picked up like 15 extra health.
Ah,
That was
Nina.
an accident. I swear. It was an accident.
AJ,
Nina.
you wanna talk about it?
I want to talk about how you got in my way.
I was just stabby webbing.
Oh, buddy, coming. Oh, Lord.
Get him. Jump up back, Nina. Jump back here, Nina.
You wanna
What's up?
you wanna come with me?
Oh, guys,
Yeah.
I have a minigun.
Look at the gun he has, y'all.
Lucy, you wanna talk about it?
No, I don't.
All right, boys, let's do this.
Really don't. What the fuck, AJ?
What's up, bitches?
That was a small
Where's
horde.
the horde?
I don't know. It was like 4 zombies, I think.
All right, well, I just wasted that then. Dude, CC is literally on 1 HP.
Cece, are you okay?
1 HP.
Hold on, I'm gonna force feed him pills. Come here, Cece. Come here.
When you learn to shoot like that?
Take this bottle of fucking Advil. Who cares if it's maximum strength?
All right, corruption
It looked like a
cards.
train station.
All right,
Could be
time
wrong.
limit and escape across with a horde on your heels. Oh no.
Holy shit.
I got the
Why is
exploder.
there so many?
On Nina?
Nina.
I just love seeing you in like the trail of dead bodies. Do we have to go back? Do we have to go back?
Oh, behind you! Bruiser!
We have remaining time. The bridge is gonna collapse. We have to just fucking go.
No, we don't. No. That's the speedrun thing. Remember?
Oh.
You in there?
I love that light.
Keep going. Just run. AJ just fucking fucking it.
Get the fuck out of my face! Go away! Away! Be gone! It's on the boat. I have to get over there.
This might be a continue.
No, I'm going for it.
AJ. Cause like they're all dead. Oh no. AJ.
Oh my god.
I'm an Octane player!
Also, my chat was like wondering, like, how is AJ still alive?
I'm an
Oh
Octane player. What do you mean?
Ooh.
All I know is buck it and cook it.
He's coming up, Nina.
I wanna be here. I don't wanna be here.
I don't like this. I'm in danger.
I'm in danger.
I don't want to talk about it. Leave me alone. Leave me alone, okay, CC? I don't want to hear about it.
That was great.
Suck a dick, motherfuckers!
My life for you, okay?
Holy shit.
I would pay for this genuine, like, pleasure right here. Holy shit.
Oh god. Oh yeah.
Where Nina's at, honestly. I just drowned. I just drowned. Oh god.
Oh my god. AJ.
Oh. Dude, this is so fucking ridiculous.
No fucking way we can try to get it that.
Holy shit.
Oh, that's so crazy.
Lucy.
Yo, AJ.
Yeah. Beat the shit out of him. Yeah. Beat the shit out of him.
Ignore everybody. Ignore everybody.
I'm sure that dude learned his lesson.
We're seasoned cleaners, bro.
Oh, I'm sorry, Lucy. I'm sorry.
There's so many fucking birds.
We have to go
Oh
over
my
here
lord.
or over here.
CC, how? All right, fuck it.
Guys, don't panic. Don't panic. We're just gonna summon more birds.
Get up. Up. Oh my god, CC!
No, see? They're just ignoring me. They're ignoring me. They're actually Pepegas. They don't have the sense of smell.
What? Nina? You're literally swinging at nothing!
Careful, please. There's birds right there.
Well, you can jump over like this.
Oh god.
Oh, God. Oh, no.
Please
Oh,
don't jump over like
jeez.
this.
Heck.
Do you hear a snitch or something? No.
AJ, you're an asshole for shooting it and then staying back here.
CC!
There's gotta be an end sometime, right?
Oh hey, you're dying next to my body. How cute.
So cute.
Oh my.
I'd be
You
like,
should leave him.
"Shut the bird."
You should leave him.
Okay. Okay, guys.
I will.
am here.
I will shoot you.
What? What
Did
is
somebody
that?
say shoot? Did somebody say shoot?
He's gonna go do it right now.
Oh shit! My bad.
Don't mind me just inflicting some pain to my teammates.
I still don't know how you scared that first flock, CC. I really don't.
I don't either. You scared two of them. You scared two of them.
I was so careful.
Two. CC, two.
I was careful.
Two. Look, now the horde is still trying to get in.
Please, can we not shoot the crows this time? They are to the right.
I will shoot. I honestly want to shoot them just to spite you.
Don't do that. That's toxic.
True. Listen to your local toxic
E-girl.
prevention toxicity prevention service.
Oh my god. Listen.
No, stop.
You fucking asshole. I'm getting Nina.
Nina.
Let me get you up.
Oh my god.
I'm falling. I can't get out.
Nina.
Need healing.
I swear.
Let's go.
Oh my. And there goes
I
Nina.
lost my stun gun. Oh, I thought I had still.
You're here.
Get him, Nina. Go get him, Tiger.
You got this, Nina. We believe in you. Hey, can you fucking sit still?
Motherfucker, I shot him in the ass cheeks. He can't move now. Get him.
Police officer was going here. Yes, officer, I am victim. We exist.
Reloading.
Don't worry, I caught you, AJ. Are you good?
Grabbed her, but he like let her go.
Nina?
Hey, darling.
Can I punch stuff because I'd like to have some heal?
Nina, I want to have some fun. I want to punch stuff.
I'm out of burst Retta ammo.
I've got some more. I've got some pistol ammo for you. Now you're not getting any. Nope. Nope. You don't deserve any now. You deserve.
Pissed me off.
You deserve nothing in life. Go away. This is our safe. This is our safe house. No. Be gone. Leave.
Hi.
Ooh, ooh.
What you doing here, girl?
Yeah, I'm taking
Be
a
gone.
bath. You wanna join?
Oh, yes.
They're having like a sensual moment and me and fucking AJ. As all things should be.